How to delete recordings on DirecTV Stream. Open the DirecTV Stream app and go to the Library section where your saved shows appear. Scroll through the list until you find the recording you want to remove. Select the show or movie to open its details page. Wait for the options menu to appear on the screen. Look for the delete option that usually appears near the play button. Choose the delete option to start removing the recording. Confirm that you want to delete the selected recording. Allow the app a moment to process the deletion. Return to the recordings list to make sure the item is gone. Select another recording if you want to remove more items. Open its details page just like before. Choose the delete option once it appears. Confirm the action again to complete the removal. Check your library once more to verify all unwanted recordings are deleted. Thank you for watching.